Hey guys, so this is the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max plastic mock-up, so I will get an idea on how the final device may look. The official launch of the iPhone 15 series is happening in late August, so 2 months to go, and the best part is this time all the iPhone 15 models are coming with pill-shaped module containing selfie shooter and Face ID, which Apple calls Dynamic Island, and this Type-C port. Yes, you heard that right. The Type-C port is finally happening, and you guys can see even these mock-ups support Type-C cable. The icing on cake is front design got record-breaking bezels at 1.81mm size, which is the thinnest of all. The 14 Pro in comparison got 2.17mm chain size, so no doubt a fantastic design, but the 15 and 15 Plus are still stuck with 60Hz, which is a shame, but you pay more and get the Pro with best-in-class specifications. That is how it works. Now both the Pro and Pro Max are coming with an action switch/mute button, which may work like Apple Watch Ultra action switch. So it is gonna be something like single press to mute or silent, double press for flashlight or screenshot, and I guess you can customize it just like in the Apple Watch Ultra.
You can also start a dive session or turn on the flashlight. And that's how to customize the action button.
So I like how we are seeing something cool to play with each single year. Like last year it was the Dynamic Island, and this year it is gonna be the action switch. The most shocking part is iPhone 15 Pro Max is getting a 6x zoom periscope camera instead of a basic normal telephoto lens. The small Pro, however, is still sitting with telephoto camera, and both these are gonna shoot fantastic images, but I'm excited to see how the Pro Max is gonna fight Samsung's Ultra flagship in the zooming battle. The iOS 17 and A17 Bionic is gonna power 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. 15 and 15 Plus will rock A16 Bionic, which is still powerful and power efficient and can easily match 8 Gen 2 devices. So all in all, they look like very powerful devices. So which one are you saving for? Comment down and make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna make speed test comparison, battery test comparison as soon as they come out. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.